Hello my lovely, just a quick video for you. Excuse my hands and nails, they've been beaten to death with this wire. Pretty much you need 4 pieces of wire. I put mine in a little clamp like that. Take your 2 center ones, twist them around, tidy them up, make them nice and even. Bring it this one up and over so it runs along the top of there. The bottom one underneath and sits on top of the previous one. Now obviously bring your 2 middle ones up, give it a twist, up and over, around and over, and then this is pretty much rinse and repeat for as long as you want to do it. Whether it's a ring band, you want to incorporate it into a wrap. I quite like them on the back of ring bands. Okay, so that's pretty much all there is to it, but I quite like to hammer mine slightly just so it flattens that edge down. It gives it a really nice effect, and that's obviously what I've done on this one here, and obviously on this one as well. But they can be incorporated into anything, darling. Any problems, just send me a message.